This video is for all of you petites. I'm Sheila and this is Chic and Confident, a channel for women over 50 who want to dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you what to wear and what to avoid if you are petite. You're petite if you're 5'2" or under. It doesn't matter what your weight or your body shape. If you would like personalized attention in dressing for your body shape and your height, no matter what it is, you can get the link down below and we can talk together to find out which surface I offer that will be best for you. So if you're petite, one of the most important things to take into consideration is proportion. The proportion of what you're wearing to your size. Choose material that is lightweight to medium. Stay away from anything that's bulky, such as wools, velvet, corduroy, and especially fur. Heavy materials create bulk and will make your petite frame overwhelmed. You would really want to cut down on the bulk and create a more streamlined effect. And that would mean choosing lightweight material like cotton, silk, linen. So material weight is very important. And also, while we're talking about weight, the weight of your shoes is also important. So it's better to choose shoes that are lightweight. And here are a few examples. The next thing you want to consider about your shoes is their color. Keep the color of your shoes the same color as your hemline, and that will create a flow and the eye won't be interrupted and you will look taller and also you will look slimmer. So choose shoes that are lightweight and that match your hemline. Stay away from shoes that bring attention to your feet. Anything that's shiny, that's glittery, that has bows. Stay with shoes that are more classic and don't draw too much attention to your feet. The next important thing about shoes is to choose shoes that have a bit of a heel. Not too high, do not wear stilettos, they will make you look out of proportion. Wear heels that are slim and also that are not too high. Choose a pointed toe and also a low vamp. That will make your legs look longer and will make you look taller. Also, choose shoes that are skin tone so your shoe and your leg will just glide together and will make your leg look longer and you look taller. The next thing you want to pay attention to for your petite frame are the prints you wear. Choose smaller prints. They will be much more flattering for your petite frame. Dresses are also really good to elongate a petite frame. So choose dresses that have a small print. Big prints are overwhelming, so stay away from them. Choose a small print with a V neckline or an open neckline. That will be much more flattering. You can wear dresses that end at the knee or below the knee, but just be sure if you do wear those dresses, you'll need to wear high heels. If you want to wear low heels, wear dresses that are above the knee. But still again, make sure that your shoes have a low vamp. In this case, it would be a good idea to wear shoes the same color as your skin tone, and that way you will create that long line and without interruptions and you will look more elongated. Something else that's very attractive for the petite frame is a side slit in a dress. That will make your leg look longer and very flattering. When it comes to color, keep your favorite colors and the colors that look best on you near your face, and don't use too many colors. A petite frame looks much better in monochromatic coloring, and that means wearing colors that are maybe not exactly but are closely related. If you wear a belt, wear the belt the same color as your pants or the same color as your top to create an elongated look. Too many colors creates a look that is not streamlined and will make you look larger maybe, and also will make you look shorter. To make sure you look your absolute best, always wear color. Don't think you have to wear black and try to fade into the woodwork. Don't do that. Wear color. Just wear color strategically. All of these tips will make you look taller. They will also make you look slimmer. For more information on how to dress to suit your body type, you can download my free guide, Dressing for Your Body Type, and I will put the link for that in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.